Karnataka may face a temporary shortage of commercial LPG cylinders over the next week to 10 days, according to the state government. The warning was issued by KH Muniyappa, Karnataka's Minister for Food and Civil Supplies, while responding to questions in the Legislative Council on Friday. The minister said that due to supply constraints linked to the ongoing conflict in West Asia, it would be difficult to supply commercial gas cylinders to hotels and restaurants for about 7 to 10 days. However, he assured that the situation is expected to improve soon as fresh shipments of LPG are likely to arrive. Muniyappa informed the House that 2 LPG vessels have already reached India from the Middle East and another 10 to 12 ships are expected in the coming days. Once these consignments arrive, supply arrangements are expected to stabilize. Until then, the government has prioritized LPG supply for essential services such as hospitals, hostels and residential schools. Hotels and restaurants have been advised to rely on alternatives such as electric stoves and prepare food only in limited quantities during the shortage period. The minister also said he had held discussions with oil companies regarding the situation. At the same time, district authorities have been directed to monitor gas distribution closely. Deputy commissioners have been instructed to take strict action under the Essential Commodities Act against illegal activities such as black marketing of LPG cylinders. Responding to complaints that some cylinders were being sold at double the normal price, Muniyappa said the police would take action against those involved. The shortage has been linked to disruptions in global energy supply caused by the West Asia conflict. The closure of the Strait of Hormuz, a key maritime route that handles nearly 1/5 of the world's seaborne oil trade, has significantly affected fuel shipments. Meanwhile, the Bombay High Court bench at Nagpur has also taken note of concerns regarding LPG supply. The division bench comprising Justice Anil S. Kilor and Justice Wakode issued notices to the union governments, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, and Confidence Petroleum India Limited following a petition filed by 6 LPG distributors. The distributors alleged that domestic LPG cylinder supplies were being severely disrupted and claimed that cylinders were still being reported despite shortages in the country. The court described the matter as serious and directed that the shortage of distribution of domestic LPG must strictly follow government policy. The case has been listed for further hearing on Monday.